Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in your Google Pay app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Google Pay app. So once you open your Google Pay app, you will end up in this kind of interface to get logged into your account. So simply select a country where you belong to and then select the email address with which you had previously created your account. So once you select the email address as well, hit the continue button and type in your mobile phone number. Once you do this, you will get a OTP pin in your mobile phone number. So once you get the OTP pin, you need to tap it on, and after verification you will end up in your Google Pay account after all the procedures are completed. And by this way you can get logged into your Google Pay account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.